She ain't nothing like them mother O's. Brown, she better told that to strike a pose. Cheese. I'm gonna go on monkey. I don't know what the F I'm gonna be doing yet. Can y'all see my hair or am I blind? I'm blind, alright, but just shut up. I'm going on monkey and we finna see what they're on. I don't have no prank ideas though. Y'all haven't told me none. Brown skin, she bad as fuck. I told that bitch to strike a pose. Hey, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
What the hell you got that microphone up your nose? What you doing?
Make. Said what?
Why you got that microphone up your nose? What you doing?
This what I talk to. This what I talk to. What you talking about?
You rap or something?
I used to sing, but I lost that shit.
What you mean you lost it?
I stopped singing like 4 years ago. You know how to sing?
You know how to twerk?
You know how to twerk?
I ain't got no legs.
Bro.
You ain't got no legs. So you telling me you don't got no legs?
I ain't got no legs.
I know you got legs. I don't care.
I ain't got no legs. Brown skin, she bad as fuck. I told that bitch to strike a pose. What the hell you doing, Sammy?
I get naked.
What the hell he say? I know he ain't on here being nasty. You running around town with that girl I love, and I fuck you, and I fuck that bitch too. See you running around town with that girl I love. Every little step. All right then, Bobby Brown. Do y'all see that nigga last name? 𝐤𝐿𝐼𝐍𝐿? I ain't never seen that shit before. Hey, sir, why am I all over your nose? And why the fuck are they hanging up on me?
Bro.
You ride around town with the girl I love, and I'm like, fuck you, and fuck you too. I don't wear Ma'am, I think this shit tweaking. Hold on. This is hanging up by itself. I don't know how don't be tweaking. Because ain't no way they hanging up on me like that. Antioch, the ghetto. Sir.
Nah, for real, bit, bro. He slid that bit, didn't he?
No.
What you hating for?
Why the hell he look like T.I., son? Does that nigga blink?
Yo.
Hey, ma'am.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, the picture's crazy.
What picture?
Your profile picture.
I look crazy?
Yeah, but that don't look like you. That's the same person?
Sir, you are so rude.
No, what do you... Do you not see your profile picture?
Nigga, that's me.
That's you.
Sir, you rude as hell. What if I say you look like Tebow?
Hey, you guys want some bagels? I say you the whole stick. $5.
Yo, stop playing. That's not you, shorty. What you talking
Yes, it is.
So you white?
Yeah, I'm white.
Yo, nah. You over here acting like fucking Uncle Ruckus and shit. What are you talking about?
Who the hell you... Who you acting like, sir? You act like you want your ass whooped. Sir, what the hell are you talking about? What the hell are you talking about?
That hot shit. No doubt. What you got going, Shawty?
You wasn't talking about your breath when you got on this phone, sir. I'm sorry. Oh my God. What the hell your big nasty ass doing?
Nasty bitch.
He got no business on here looking like Hitler. So what you... Don't hang up on me. Looking like 𝐁𝐔𝐒𝐈𝐑𝐈. Don't hang up on me.
You dumbass motherfucker.
What?
Sir, what nobody talking to you?
Why not?
Cause you ain't got your face in the camera and your ceiling falling apart.
It's not falling apart. It got a little specks things in there. It's not falling apart.
It's finna cave in, sir.
What?
It's finna cave in, sir.
How?
Go get your ass on the roof and find out. Hey, nasty bitch. Show nasty ass off of here.
Jaylaolivia.
Ma'am.
How you doing?
You too loud, sir.
And? I don't give a fuck.
Who the hell you talking to with them nappy ass dreads that you ain't washed in 10 months?
Yo. What you up to? Hello? Hi, bro. The fuck you looking at?
Who the hell you talking to? Show no lip having that. See? They keep playing with me.
Get in the club and party on the mouse. I swear my gun is too tough.
Hey, turn that Juice World down.
Hi.
Sir, what the hell you doing?
How are you?
His ass on here in the dark whispering and shit. Sir, yo. I don't want to see the lights in your head. Turn your damn camera up.
Yo.
Sir, why are you on here yelling?
I'm not
Shut up,
yelling.
ho.
You shut up, ho.
Who the hell you talking to?
You.
Ain't no way in hell you talking to me.
You done told me to shut up, ho. Now I gotta tell you to shut up.
That's your name.
Huh?
That's your name.
Yeah, but why you want to be aggressive? That's gonna get you slapped.
Sir, who gonna slap me?
Are you cheap punk thin ass, you thin ass motherfucker?
Us.
Who was us? Put the camera on, y'all.
Me and bro.
Where he at? Tell him to come in the camera.
He back here.
Or stay in the rear view.
What's up? You know what I'm saying?
I can't even see him. And why are y'all two grown ass men and some damn demon lights? What y'all doing?
You talking about some beamer lights?
I said demon.
Here, like, we
You said y'all fucking then.
You want to play?
That's what it sounded like he said, didn't it? Didn't it?
Yo,
Why are you yelling?
I'm not fucking yelling.
Sir, you was yelling before I got on the phone.
Where the fuck I wasn't?
Who the hell you talking to? Lower your tone.
Nobody.
That's what I thought. Checkmate. Ass white from Orange. Yo, why you do that? He is holding up the goddamn shit. Raggedy ass phone. I should do that as a prank, huh? Say their name says something else. Something crazy like that. I'm gonna do that part too.
Ooh.
Little from Fort Drum.
What? How did you know? How did you know?
Why you put that as your name, sir?
Little dick.
Yeah.
That's not what it says.
Sir, you just heard me read it before you got on the camera.
You don't know how to read.
Who don't know how to read, sir? I went to school 12 years.
You don't know how to read because it says Mac 11.
Sir, your shit say Lil Dick 22 from Fort Drum.
You lying.
No, you're lying. Y'all, I'm finna do a part 2 of that. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. See how this come up with pranks off bat, like off the top of my head like that. We finna do that prank, and then I'm gonna come back. Wait, no, what the fuck I'm talking about? I'm finna end this, and I'm gonna come back and do that prank. Reverse. And I'll see y'all. So I'll see y'all in that video. I'm trying to upload twice a day today. So like, comment, subscribe, share, spam all the hearts down below, and I'll see y'all in a few minutes. Until next time, Jaylaolivia. Got it.
blast.
Oh! Shout out to everybody. I had fun.
I gotta be good.
Nah, I forgot. I'm out this bitch.
I'm all about the Benjamins, ain't I? Gotta get my cake right. I ain't nothing like it, bitches. I'm a G. Ain't got focus on the cheese. I've been grinding through the